Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy, and then locate Notifications and then tap on that. One way to go on quiet mode is to toggle the button on beside Pause All. And this will simply temporarily turn off your notifications. So you may choose a specific time range from 15 minutes to 8 hours for silence notifications. For automatic activation of quiet mode at certain times, tap on quiet mode and then just toggle the button on beside quiet mode, and from here configure the start and end times as to when you want your notifications turned off, and then choose the days when you want to apply this quiet mode. So if you choose Sunday and Saturday, make sure that it is highlighted in blue, and if you want to do it during the weekdays, make sure that they're the ones that are highlighted in blue. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn on quiet mode on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!